Did you know the newest technology coming to North Phoenix is a Taiwan Semiconductor manufacturing company? As a realtor, I'm excited to talk about the Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, TSMC, in North Phoenix. This is a major investment in Arizona, and it's going to have a big impact on our local economy. TSMC's commitment to sustainability and environmental responsibility aligns with the eco-conscious values prevalent in the Phoenix area. Their investment in renewable energy and water conservation initiatives further enhances the appeal of the development. In addition to the jobs, the TSMC plant is also going to bring a lot of other economic benefits to the area. It's going to boost the housing market. It's going to increase demand for local businesses, and it's going to put Phoenix on the map as a major center for semiconductor manufacturing. So if you're thinking about buying or selling a home in North Phoenix, this is a great time to do it. The TSMC plant is going to create a lot of demand for housing in the area, and prices are likely going to go up. I'm excited to see what the future holds for North Phoenix. With the TSMC plant, the area is poised to become a major economic hub in the Southwest. If you're looking for a place to invest in real estate, this is a great opportunity. Here are some of the specific benefits of investing in real estate near the TSMC plant. High demand for housing. The TSMC plant is expected to create 12,000 jobs, and these jobs will attract a lot of new people to the area. This increase in demand for housing will drive prices up. The TSMC plant will also increase demand for local businesses such as restaurants, shops, and services. This will create new opportunities for entrepreneurs and business owners. Improved infrastructure. The TSMC plant is expected to bring in a lot of new investments, which will be used to improve the local infrastructure. This will include things like roads, schools, parks, also increase economic activity. The TSMC plant will create a ripple effect throughout the local economy. This will lead to increased economic activity, which will benefit everyone in the area. And if you're interested in learning more about the TSMC plant or buying or selling a home in North Phoenix, please don't hesitate to contact me. I'd be happy to help you find the perfect home for your needs. Rebecca Holbert, your Arizona Realtor at HomeSmart, making real estate easy for you.